Are you struggling with maintaining your vehicle? The cost of brake pads, gearbox, clutch and tires can ruin your budget. Is your service plan about to expire? Is your warranty about to expire? Or are you already out of warranty? Do you know that with WesBank's Wshop, you can purchase vouchers that allow you to buy an extended warranty, service or maintenance plan? What is Wshop? Wshop helps you get a loan that allows you to refurbish your car and give it the kick and the condition that you deserve to make sure that you still enjoy the vehicle. Through Wshop, you can get a voucher that allows you to buy new tires, new wheels, film protection, anti-smash and grab, upgrade your sound, and you can also buy WesBank approved service plan, maintenance plan, and warranty vouchers. You can also get a voucher that allows you to buy scratch and dent policy for your vehicle.
Now, what's the qualifying criteria for people who want to use the Wshop? You must have more than 12 months left on the vehicle finance agreement. You must not be in the beginning of your vehicle finance. Your account should not be in arrears. You should not be under debt review. The installment payment must be via debit order. And affordability must be greater than 500 Rand. You will also need to submit the following documents for the application: 3-month bank statement, proof of income, there you can use your recent payslip, and the third one is a healthy credit status. You can also use e-bucks from FNB to purchase your Wshop voucher. This whole process can be done at the comfort of your home without any complications. All you have to do is go online and visit www.wesbank.co.za, or you can go on the WesBank app, or you can also use the FNB app under NavCar.
For more information, you can visit the WesBank socials. On Facebook, go to WesBank. On Instagram and X and TikTok, you can use @WesBankSA. On YouTube, you can go to @WesBank Asset Finance. You can also call the call center on 0861 288 272.